Hi guys. So now I'm going to explain our wheelchair with lane detection, how it is working in real time. So how can we implement this in real time? So we just done one simulation how it is working. We played with the pixels here. This is the wheelchair image we have taken. This is a wheelchair image we have taken, and we taken our own track. We made our own track. Up to six to seven tracks we made ourselves. So if you take this track means that CMake result, that green color and all as a ground, and this white track will be white rectangle. This will be a track, act as a track, and the center of the this track, the our wheelchair will be placed, and camera will be fixed in the center of the wheelchair. So that camera will check up to, it has a focal length up to 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. It will check the color, what color that the surrounding tracks having. The focal length of 25, it will check. So we have made the code here. So what we made this with the Pygame. What function we are giving here means if the direction is upwards, if this wheelchair here is moving upward, and it will detect the color. So we all know that color of the white will be ranges from 255. So once it reaches the edge, top edge of this track, it won't move forward. It won't move reach up. It will take right. Once it reach top, it won't cross the limit. We set the limit as once it detects as color is white, it will move towards the white. If it is not white, any other ranges it detects, it won't to move, it will stop. So see here. So the direction of the wheelchair is first it is originated and moving upward. So up pixel is not 255. That means this top corner. So it will take to right. So it will, the camera will see to right. So focal length of 25, it will see to right. If it detects as 255, the pixel, that white color detection, so it will take a direction of right and move like that. So all the four directions are made like this. I will show the sample how it is working. Yes, here is our project. It won't crash. It won't crash and cross the limit. It will take right and left as and also it won't cross this red line. So see here, see this command prompt here. It is detecting as 129, the color 129. So I will show you once again that when it moves towards the white line, uh, we will get in command prompt, we will get three columns. The first column is up pixel, second column is down pixel, right pixel, and third column is down pixel. So up column, when up column is 255, it will move towards the up, and it won't move right or down. So once up column is not 255, it will check to the second column, that is right pixel. So once it reaches the right pixel, once it detects right pixel is 255, then it will move towards right pixel, and right pixel ends with 255. This line. It is not 255, then it will check with the third column, that is down pixel here, this 48. If it is 255, then it will move towards down. So this is our simulation, and this is how we are going to do in real time. Thank you.